Now we're at some interesting pictures, and I would like to invite up Julian Szymowski from Business Boxing Polska, and he's also doing those kind of interesting people downstairs, or kind of wild things. So welcome, welcome. I see you brought some nice business boxing girls with you. Yes, excellent.
Yes, I did. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have to tell you, I came to my first Europa Property Gala 3 years ago, and I was incredibly impressed with everyone here, this feeling of success. And I thought to myself, I want all my Thursdays to look like this. And ever since that time when I came here, me and Craig have worked together on showing some of these robots. We have a whole collection of film robots and film cars which we put into shopping centres and different events, and I'm lucky to say we've had them in different places all around Europe and Poland, and hopefully if there are any people out there, shopping centre owners, who would like to get more people to your shopping centres, then please come talk to me. There are 3 figures downstairs that you can look at, but there's a whole fleet of these cars, just like the DeLorean and the Transformers. And the other thing that I'm here to talk about is the Business Boxing Gala. Like I said, Craig has become my friend, my business partner, and even more because I've become his boxing promoter. Craig, for charity, will box on the 14th of April in a ring, 3 rounds, 2 minutes. These are the girls that have helped him make up his mind. He's been training. I don't know whether you guys have noticed, but he's lost about 15 kilograms.
20
kilograms ever since he signed up, and he's trusted me with finding his boxing opponent. So if there's anybody out there that would like to talk to me, please do so, and enjoy the rest of your night.
Okay, now we would like you to take this envelope to read out the winner, but we have a short list first that Agata's going to read out.
Project management firm, these are the shortlist. BSC Real Estate Advisors, Cushman & Wakefield, and Glitz Polska. 3 nominees, and the winner is...
Please read out the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the project management firm of the year is BSC Real Estate Advisors.
Welcome and congratulations. First time. Hopefully not the last time.
Wow, against all the competition as well. Thank you very much to our clients. Thank you very much for our team. Great. Let's go on to better things. Thank you.
Okay. And come on over here and have a photo with all of us. Yeah.